Seen people using the viral expressions effect on TikTok and wondered how to make a video using it yourself? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the TikTok expressions filter. Now let's get started. To begin, open TikTok and tap the plus sign at the bottom to create a new video. In the bottom left corner, tap Effects. Now select the expressions filter. The icon looks like two expressive masks. Once you tap it, the effect will be enabled. There are two options that will appear. You can have the effect emphasize whatever expression you're actually making, or you can set it to make it look like you're making the opposite expression. Select whichever option you want to use. Then record your TikTok as normal by holding down the record button. Some people have been doing a trend where you keep your face as neutral as possible to try not to trigger the filter from changing your expression, but it's really challenging to do. Have you tried this effect? Let us know what you think of it in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.